What's up, y'all? We got Ricky Bobby here. Oh shoot, this is nice. Got the brake released. Got a little bit of air in the brake lines, but the bad caliper's behind us. Let's drive her. Get her moving. It's been since January. Now it's October. Poor girl's flooded. Yeah. I'm about 30 miles an hour and I got like hardly any brakes yet. Still got a little bit of air in the brakes. So we're not gonna take her out on the road, but I mean, we stopped and there ain't no smoke out that backside anymore. Oh, you know what part of that is, I bet? I bet it's because we have some brake fluid and lube on the rotor. We never brake cleaned it.
Are you talking to Matt?
No, I'm just shooting video.
Oh.
Yeah. Back her on up.
That's it, right there. All
Put her in
right.
drive. Here we go. Oh, it feels good to drive the little girl again. Second gear. Third gear.
Look out!
Yeah, see, there's still a little bit of air in the brakes. That's okay. We'll get it out later.
I'm done for today.
Yeah, me too. We got just a little bit of air in the brakes somewhere. But dude,
That's because they're air over hydraulic.
yeah, they're air over hydraulic. Put on some hazard flashers. You see my LEDs down there? Get her in right.
That's it. Back her up.
Back her on up, baby.
All right, slide right on
Checking
in
the
there.
mirror there. We're looking good.
That's it. Oh,
Perfect.
that feels good. You want something?
Hush puppies, Daddy.
Ain't got no time for that shit.
There we go. We got brakes again. If I push too far down though, after it sits for a while, then I get the brake pressure light come back on. So we still got a little bit of air in the brakes, but it's nothing major. Because I can pump it up and get.
Ooh, I knew that would feel so spongy.
Some ambers on. Watch yourself. Need to WD-40 them doors. Oh my gosh. And for some reason this guy ain't flashing. We'll fix him later. Huh? That's the Marvel Mystery Oil I put in the motor after we did the water. Yep. There she is, and if you guys want to see what the old brake caliper looked like, look at that right there. All just rotted away there. So yeah, it was time. But got the LEDs on. Got some smoke come out. Woohoo! Got the warning lights on. Hey, the top light on the stop sign started working again. Yep. Got a little wasp nest in here. Can't really see them though. Anyway, that's it for now. Thanks for watching.